If you want to draw on photos on POCO X7 Pro, then first of all, we can open the Gallery app. In the Gallery app, we want to tap on the photo that we wish to draw on, and then press this icon over here at the bottom of the screen in order to open the Edit menu. Now, in the Basic section, we should be able to find the Doodle option, so we can tap it. Over here on the right side, we can tap on this dot in order to switch the size of the marker. And now here we have different shapes. So for instance, we can just draw with our finger like so. We can of course change the color as well. We can use a straight line. We can draw a rectangle or a circle, or even use an arrow. Once you are done, you can press this check in the bottom right corner. And then of course we need to save our photo. So press save in the top right corner. And there we go. We have our photo edited. Now keep in mind that if you make some changes and if you just save it, then it will replace the original photo. So if you actually decide to keep the copy, then it seems that this option is simply missing. We cannot really keep the original photo and have the edited. So we cannot really have both versions, it seems. Actually, my bad, I was lying. You can actually find the original photo, so the copy is actually made. It doesn't really replace the original photo. So yeah, you are safe. You still keep the original. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.